Hello to you my gorgeous nail lovers, you are welcome back again to Nail Vibes, the channel as you always know that gives you the very best in trendy and unique acrylic nail art designs. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you depending on your time and location, and also when you are seeing this video. So in this video for today my gorgeous queens, I have compiled the very best trendy and unique acrylic nail art design for you to watch and pick your best lights. And as you watch this video, kindly support it by hitting the like button, okay? Like this video and also feel free to share it to your friends and loved ones. And you can as well save it for a later use. So for that very event which you are planning to go, for any color of nail which you want or any design of nail, watch this video because in this video I have different unique and trendy nail arts. We have different colors, different designs and different shapes. So watch and pick your best lights. And at the end of the video, you can go down to the comment section and give me your lovely comment about this video. To you, my returning viewers, I say a very big thank you to you for always coming back to view and engage in my videos. Thank you guys so much. And if this is not really what you want, you can go down to my channel to see other videos that I have on other nail types. You can also watch from there and make your choices. Thank you guys so much, as I've been looking forward to seeing you again